Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another cook with me session with your girl IVH Naturals, and today I'll be teaching you how to prepare the tastiest fried rice in town. So these are my ingredients. I'll be using green pepper, curry and thyme, that's my seasoning, and salt. And guys, I don't leave out pepper like rodo whenever I'm making my fried rice. Seriously guys, you need to try it. It's really nice. And I usually use this hand grater. You can also use blender, depends on you. Yeah, and that's cabbage, sausage, and of course liver. I like to put liver in my fried rice too. Carrot, sweet corn, and that's my chicken stock. No fried rice without chicken stock. Yeah. So guys, let's get to it. Yes guys, so this is my rice. You can use any type of rice that you have at home. Usually I like to parboil my rice before cooking, and this is the fastest and quickest method for me. I don't know about any other person. I just put my rice in a clean bowl and pour hot water in it, and I cover it up and leave it for 15 minutes. Yeah, so this is after 15 minutes, and you can see my rice is all swollen. And it's not cooked though. It's still hard. So now we'll just wash and I'll proceed to cooking. So I'm going to put in my vegetable oil. I don't like to use too much oil for my fried rice. I don't like too much oil generally. It's not good for the body. Too much of everything is bad. So I don't like to eat onions. I don't like to see onions in my food. So I fry the onions in the oil first, to give it that flavor. Then I fry it. I just pack it. I'm sorry, and I trash it. I just want it to have that flavor. If I need to make stew or anything, I make sure that my onions is blended and not sliced. I don't like seeing onion in my food. I don't know if I'm the only one. If you are with me, please leave a comment. Let's know ourselves. So I just leave it for some time and allow it fry, then I'll pack it. So I'm done packing, and I'll put in my washed clean rice into the pot. I was actually cooking for the whole house while filming this video, so our rice is plenty small. Yeah, so after you have all the rice in the pot, you now stir. You stir very well. It's fried rice now, so we have to fry the rice. So I'm done stirring, and I'm going to be adding my curry and thyme. So this curry and thyme depends on you. If I want to boil meat, if I want to do anything, most times I put curry and thyme. So for the fried rice, your curry has to be a lot more, because you have to get that, the green color. There's also a fried rice ingredient that people use too. It's actually green in color, but I didn't use that. I just used my curry for this, and you can see once you use a very good curry powder, you get the right color that you want. So now I stirred it very well. So after stirring, I'm putting my chicken stock. And fried rice needs Maggi. It needs Maggi. So when you add your chicken stock to it, you have to use lesser Maggi. I've parboiled this rice before, so I won't put too much water. Please don't forget, since you have parboiled your rice before, don't put too much water. So I just added water now. I just make sure that the water is not so much, because I'm still going to use my foil paper to cover. I'm trying to get all the rice in. I have to go get more water because I know that one won't do. Okay, so I'm stirring. Can you see? I'm stirring gently. I'm not even stirring it so much, just gently. And now I'm going to cover and leave. So you can see I'm adding extra Maggi and salt now, because I know that chicken stock will not do. So I'm adding the Maggi and salt now. I don't want it to burn, that's why I'm stirring gently. Yeah, so we're covering with our foil paper now. This will help it cook a lot easier and faster. Just make sure everything is well covered. And I'm going to leave it for another 15 minutes. So we'll be right back to check. So let's proceed to our veggies. I usually fry my veggies before pouring into the rice. Yes, before I add it to the rice. Usually some people cook, like parboil a bit, put it add it to the rice and allow it cook for a while, but I like to fry mine. I'll just put little oil. I fry all the veggies except the sausage. I don't like to fry my sausage in fried rice. Nah, I allow the sausage to cook. So that's the liver, carrots, sweet corn. You can add other veggies that you have at home. This is what I add at home, so that's what I made use of. You can use green peas, a lot of things. You can add a lot of things. You can add chicken, anything. I usually add little salt and Maggi too, so to taste. I stir very well. I like to cook for just 5 minutes. Just stir fry. Just allow it cook for like about 5 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes. It's fine. So our rice is, it's cooking. It's cooking. Hey, whoa, my fried paper. It was very hot. It was so hot. So I want to add the pepper now. Your pepper can be more, it depends on you. I don't want to use too much pepper because it's not everybody that takes pepper in my house. Yeah. We allow the pepper to cook for a while, just some minutes, like about 5 minutes, before you add the other veggies. So now I'm going to put it right on top of the rice, so that can steam well, and our rice will be soft in no time. And this will help your rice will not be soggy. Once you notice that your rice is just you don't need to add water. It's still a bit hard. It's not so soft. just cover it with foil paper. That's the OJ that I'm giving you. So just cover it with foil paper. You are covered. Leave it for like 5 to 7 minutes. Come back, your rice will be soft. Yeah, I added my sausage again, so those ones can just cook for a while before I add my other veggies. And now we are adding it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey god, if you see the way people at home were waiting for this fried rice, you people cannot even understand. Ah god, people almost brought their plates at this point. That's how bad my fried rice. No, let me put it like this: my fried rice is the baddest. Yo. There you have it, guys. Our fried rice is ready. Can you just feel my fried rice? Everything is just standing one. Me badass cook with my drumstick. Let me go and enjoy my rice because thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till I come your way, my name is IBH. I love you.